Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a daily Forex forecast for 29th June 2023 and you can see these currency pairs right here: euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar CAD, Aussie dollar, US dollar, and these main pairs, and obviously the gold. I will be discussing that. I also will be trying to discuss some of the concepts that I see on these live markets, which will be super beneficial for the beginners. So I have decided to add some concepts in these videos as well. No doubt I explain all of the main concepts in my live streams, but since everyone cannot join the live streams, everyone is not an intraday trader. So right here I know most of the beginner traders have problems and no one is telling them the correct way to trade these markets. So here we go: euro, US dollar. This is a chart in front of me, and every beginner, if when starts analyzing and when starts to read these charts, euro dollar is the most important currency pair for them, not only of its daily volume but also how it respect the levels. It is more attractive because of these several factors, and mostly when I was a beginner I started with the euro dollar. Similarly, most of you out there who are beginners usually use euro dollar. If not, try to include it in your portfolio. So yesterday what I said in the video was that, and what I usually discuss is, on euro dollar I have discussed these levels. Let me show you really quickly. If Let me first quickly check this pen tool right here, it's working, because usually it stopped working and then there is so much frustrating. So what right now I see on this euro dollar obviously is showing down. I will be discussing that later, but first of all let's have a look at where I started from. So I don't want to go into the too much details of it since this is a daily forex forecast video. I On the euro US dollar I started from here. Obviously these other moves I'm not going to discuss them right now. Till here all of you will know, in the daily, in the weekly forecasts, in the daily forecast, and especially in the live streams, I focused mainly on these levels. Then obviously this is going to be the pattern. Now pattern is, my friends, very simple. Okay, if you understand this A B C D pattern, or you don't understand, it doesn't makes any difference, right? What you should know is simply like, without any thing, like right here, if you see market went up from here, the next time when it come back down, what does that mean? It means that this is a retest area and market has to be bouncing off from here, and it did, right? See, so then obviously this impulsive wave, then 2 days ago I gave a forecast, and this was the buy level 1.08, and overall on the H4, if you see, this was a trend with us. See, now simple, like I'm touching nothing, no Fibonacci, no patterns, nothing, just have a look at it. A very nice impulsive wave we have got. What's next? The next thing is, since it break its structure down, and I want to add one more thing. Let's delete this for now. Why this area is a sell area for me? When price was on right here near on 13th 14th June, when I analyzed euro US dollar, I saw that there is a Fibonacci, and just have a look at it. The Fibonacci is right here. So the consolidation zone that I have got right here is obviously between these two ranges. So the professional traders, my friends, focus, right? The professional traders, what they say right here, they say, okay, we take this risk from here. We have an 80 pips of stop loss, 80 pips, and we are taking the market down towards, I will be precisely drawing that somewhere 1.07 level. So I say, if why not, if I can catch this move, let me first draw the Fibonacci right here. I say, if I can do what? If I can catch as a day trader some pips, what's so bad in it? It must be clear to you, right? So a valid sell opportunity and sell trade is still active with an SL zone right here, entry right here, and the TP right here. Sorry for bad drawing. The position of this tablet is not very good today. Anyways, so it like blindly on this candle, if you see, could I took any trade? Let's say market is, let's say I want to say that when price reaches this price point, I'm going to take a sell trade. Market give me such moves, and in one candle it give me a break above. Will I still be thinking to take a sell trade? Obviously not. Why? Then most of you then ask me that shall we add pending orders? I say no. In very rare situations I do set pending limits, just like on gold I did from 1911. But day traders, no, not at all, no limits. So no confirmation, and the market started to consolidate, which is again a very good sign for me. Why a good sign for me? Because if it's consolidating, it means it's giving me a better trade idea. Today I intraday traded it and booked around 15 pips of profit from this one today. It started its consolidation zone, and for the day traders, just like yesterday, I was neutral, right? Yesterday what I said was that market gave me this break and is now doing something else. So at that time I had in mind that okay, the market will be creating this top up there. But even before that, it started to bounce back down. Now on the daily, I think this consolidation zone you must have understood, right? Now move on to the H4. See, on the H4 there is something so much special. What is that special thing? The first thing is, which is obviously very special to me, and that is the 61 of this impulsive wave. See, oops, again bad drawing. From right here, 61 was right here. What price did is it reversed from right here. Okay, it reversed and dropped from there, completing this Fibonacci. Now what does that mean? Technically on the H4 it is still bullish. A, this is obviously the B, the C, and D will be somewhere up above there. At one side it is showing us this, on the other hand side it is showing me a head and shoulder. This is the shoulder, the right one, this is the left shoulder, and this is the head. Very ideal for intraday traders. And obviously the intraday traders took enough profits from here. See where this market is stopped. Just have a look at it. Obviously let's mark this area. Fine. A very valid head and shoulder pattern. Traders almost have got 70 pips from it. Even I was on this particular trade, but I closed early. Now what's next? Next thing is, as per the ABCD pattern, there is a lot of confusion going on. Let me tell you how. Because this tiny ABCD pattern is suggesting an up wave. All of you know, let me explain. All of you know that this is an impulsive wave, a correction 61.8, a buy entry, right? A buy entry from here till there it suggests. Now strategy can give me trade opportunities, but this is me who will decide that okay, now what should I do? Shall I follow the strategy or shall I stay neutral? Well, if we talks in terms of the daily traders, they almost have got some profits from the market. The second thing is I have not got a daily candle closed. So again, I may not be able to say anything. Technically, my level is 1.07795. This Fibonacci 61.8% retracement from here till there. RSI, RSI. Overbought, oversold. Is it any difficult? No. So here for tomorrow, obviously, if it starts to come back down and start to close below this zone like this, you can take a fresh trade towards, even I will be live streaming, but let's see, tomorrow is a very big day. Like no doubt euro move very nicely and fantastic. So at this particular stage I am not looking for any buy trade. So if the strategy is giving me a buy trade from here from 1.08, SL will be 1 point, like this will be the entry. Don't consider it as a, let's say, a practice. And the practice on demo obviously will be a buy from 1.08947. This is the entry. The TP will be 1.10292 and the SL will be 1.08136. This is one trade opportunity. I'm not interested in this at all. I will, before day trading, especially interested in this sell if a valid top forms right here. and even if followed by some sort of divergence. Now I will make separate videos on divergence like this. Then yes, this much is then going to be my SL. Like the entry will look something like this is also a practice 1. Practice number 2 is you have to wait till 1.09636 for a double top followed by a divergence, and followed by enough candles and momentum, and SL will be 1.10292 or 1. Okay, the SL will be this 1.10292 above this, right here, and the TP will be 1.08947, and the break below and another sell trade, and the TP will be this, and from right here we may become again bullish. So this is euro dollar again, my friends. I want to tell you that try to focus on these levels. See if this level is broken right here, broken, retest, continuation. This level broken, retest, continuation. This level broken, retest, but no continuation, but it went back up. Head and shoulder pattern, it dropped, traders made profit out of it. It is again showing a buy. We are not interested in a buy, but tomorrow we can be interested in a 1.10292 sell, or maybe a sell from here tomorrow, from here. So it depends. We have to look at the market if we are a daily trader. Now let's see how much time it is. 17 minutes I almost took on euro dollar for beginners. Pound dollar is the same, going down. Gold US dollar. On gold US dollar, things are, I discussed it too much in the live stream today, so let's leave it. Yen, watch my yesterday's forecast. New Zealand CAD completely against me, stopped at this support. So let's see tomorrow if I can leave the position with break even. Aussie dollar US dollar. Thank God I did not took any buy trade right here, because I was looking for a sell from this 67.98, 67 level. It did not happen, so I did nothing. Tomorrow this 0.65874 and 0.65616 is going to become a buy zone for me, but I have to look at the gold as well. And if I see pound dollar, I see pound dollar a little bit further drop, and it also suggests an up move. So I want to stay neutral about it. If I want to find trade opportunities, I will find it right now. But since I have discussed euro dollar in much detail, and I like from one market I gave several trade opportunities. So from now on my main goal will be to educate all of you, right? For how much long, like it's been the 8th or 7th year since I'm giving you these trade setups. I highly recommend you to learn these things by your own, yourself, learn these things and do it. So that's why I am, and I will be giving you education. So I will be focusing on trading as well and education as well, but education should be my top priority, right? So if you are interested to join a straight rally towards success, try to click the subscribe button and watch my videos in full of knowledge they are. If you don't find any knowledge, you can contact me and leave my channel. No one is stopping you. Take care of yourself. I will see you tomorrow, and goodbye.